Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Happymod on iOS, iPhone, or iPad. Easy guide. First, to be able to begin, just go ahead and tweak the settings first on your iOS device. So here on settings, just head here on general, and then right after, click on background app refresh. Make sure that this one is turned on and make sure this one is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Click on back. Right after, check the software that you have on your device. Click on about. Make sure that your iOS version is above 11. So this trick works on iOS versions 11 and above. Then right after, head onto your browser here and search for vipgenz.com. So this will allow us to go ahead and download Happymod onto your device. So simply click on continuing here, and there is a search bar here onto the upper part where you could go ahead and simply type in Happymod. Click on done, and you should be able to see the icon for Happymod or the app for it. So you should be able to see the rating, the size, the downloads in here, the developers, category, and many more. So just simply click onto this download button in here to proceed. And that is how easy you could go ahead and download Happymod on your iOS, iPhone, and iPad device. And before we end the video, don't forget to check the links in the description for extra tips and helpful resources just for you. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.